PMBOK and CPMI didn't prepare you for this AI shift. Here's what you missed. Have you ever experienced this? Your burn down chart looks perfect. Your budget is on track. Your team is motivated and delivering on time. And yet the client says, we don't see the value. Yes, that hurts. And the reason it happens is simple. Most project managers still define business success criteria the traditional way: slow, subjective, and totally disconnected from real business outcomes. But what if I tell you there is a better way? PMI CPMI Phase 1 provides a framework for business understanding but lacks guidance on how to execute it quickly and efficiently. In this video, I'm going to show you how the value delivery design pattern from my book, A Project Manager's Daily AI Handbook, helps you define business value faster, more accurately, and with AI powered clarity. Using prompts you can plug and play into ChatGPT or Claude or any other LLM of your choice and start using them today. Let's get started. AI powered value delivery design pattern. Here we'll cover what traditional business success criteria looks like, introducing the value delivery design pattern from my book, A Project Manager's Daily AI Handbook, before and after situation after the value delivery design pattern is implemented, what makes this pattern powerful, the value delivery pattern prompt toolkit, and a real micro story, the invisible win, how this pattern transforms success criteria. What traditional business success criteria looks like: long workshops, ambiguous success statements, reliance on intuition rather than data, disconnected from actual user value, heavy dependence on stakeholders' verbal inputs. Success criteria usually tied to scope, schedule, budget, not outcomes. This approach worked in the 90s, but today's projects demand outcome focused thinking. The problem here is these don't tell you whether the business actually benefited from what we delivered. Because traditionally we focused on did we deliver everything, and the value delivery pattern cares about did we deliver what mattered. And in a dynamic environment, relying on intuition and verbal inputs means you are often guessing value instead of defining it. Now, let me introduce something that completely shifts this mindset. Introducing the value delivery design pattern. From chapter 10 of my book, the value delivery pattern is summarized in one powerful line: continuously prioritize work by business impact. Use value matrices and adjust scope accordingly to maximize ROI. In the book, the character Alexander makes this shift from tracking tasks to delivering outcomes. This pattern helps you focus on measurable business outcomes, align your work with stakeholder priorities, make value visible early, and use AI to quantify that value in minutes. Now let's look at what the transformation actually feels like. Before value delivery pattern, you report scope, budget, timeline. Clients nod politely and still look confused. Value is this mystical creature no one can define. You are always chasing approvals and justification. And with value delivery pattern, you focus on stakeholder outcomes, business impact, user satisfaction. Reports become dynamic, aligned with operational key results, OKRs. AI proactively flags KPI misalignment, stakeholder engagement skyrockets, and feedback loops run through automated sentiment analysis. Remember earlier in one of my videos I introduced MCP server for document searches and getting insights from your project documents. The same MCP server can be used for this kind of sentiment analysis. Why the pattern works? What is the problem it's solving? Projects drift away from real business value. The solution: use value metrics plus prioritize by impact plus adjust scope dynamically. This creates a high stakeholder satisfaction, better ROI, clearer justification for decisions, reduced why are we doing these moments. And yes, it requires ongoing evaluation, but AI makes that painless. The AI toolkit that makes this fast. Now let's talk about the real magic. The AI prompts bundled in the value delivery pattern are: define key business value matrices, create prioritization matrices with Moscow methodology, must, should, could, won't kind of categorization, cost benefit analysis and ROI analysis, draft business cases, lean canvases, track value delivery over time, translate features into measurable outcomes, scope adjustments to maximize ROI, simulate user journeys and value perception, summarize value related stakeholder feedback. Again, all this you can do through the MCP server, which I developed and which I demoed in one of my previous videos. I'll leave the link in the description. You can go and watch that video. So the AI toolkit are not just any random prompts. These are structured prompt tools from page 157 to 161 of the book, designed to automate nearly 80% of value related PM activities. Let's go through one of the most important key automatable tasks in value delivery design pattern, which is define key business value matrices, the matrix generator. So this is what on the right hand side of the screen you can see the actual prompt from the book. Identify 5 to 10 key business value matrices for a project type. So all my prompts are variable based and you can change these variables according to your project context. So here project type and industry are the variables, which you can see on the left hand side how I have changed it to the current project. So identify 5 to 10 key business value matrices for a project type in the industry. For each matrix, provide the name, a short definition, and one real world example of how it could be measured. Present the output in a bullet list, and this is what is the outcome. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, or any other LLM of your choice, and you can get the desired output. So if you had to do it traditional way, it would take weeks, if not more. This is what is the game changer, and this is where you really gain your productivity. And this makes all the difference between the traditional way and the AI powered way of project management. I love this example from the book, page 161. Alexander delivered a milestone that seemed routine, nothing fancy, but he used AI to frame the update fully in customer prioritized value language. This is exactly the direction we want. All he changed was the storytelling of value powered by AI. That's the power of this pattern. How this pattern transforms success criteria. Traditional success criteria revolves around delivered all scope, on time, within budget, and value delivery pattern success criteria talks about: did we deliver measurable business outcomes? Did we maximize ROI? Did we improve user experience or stakeholder satisfaction? Did we move key business matrices? Did we deliver the right value early? These are the points where customer is interested, and this is what he wants to hear, and this is what he gets from value delivery pattern. AI helps you to define these faster, track them continuously, and communicate them clearly. No more ambiguous value discussions. No more guessing what stakeholders care about. No more we delivered everything but still project failed. To conclude, here's the bottom line. Traditional business success criteria is slow, It's vague and it doesn't reflect how modern organizations measure value. The value delivery design pattern changes that. It makes business value measurable, visible, trackable, aligned to stakeholder priorities, and powered by AI. If you want to download the complete value delivery design pattern chapter from my book, DM me AI and I'll send you the whole chapter. And remember, don't deliver tasks, deliver the value that people can see and actually care. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay AI savvy, stay ahead.